I'm Johnny.
I'm Zahir.
I'm Brian.
I'm James.
I'm Lorenzo.
And these are Newton's laws.
And friction and gravity.
Newton's first law of motion states an object in motion will stay in motion. An object at rest will stay at rest until an unbalanced force acts upon it. For instance, this piece of chalk is at rest until I put a force on it so it moves, such as my hand. Another example is an object in motion will stay in motion until forces act upon it to stop it. So if I move this chalk, gravity, which is one force, pulls it down to the ground, making it stop. And friction, which is the surface rubbing against the bottom of the surface, slows it down till it stops.
Me pushing Johnny is an example of the first law, exerting a force to make it move, and the transfer of momentum. Watch.
What?
Yeah. Hey Johnny, did you see that one episode of Science Owns with that one guy from the science lab?
Yeah, man, I said it. That was so awesome.
I like the part where he knocked over the cow.
Oh, that was great. Oh, that was so great. Oh my god. The episodes on Momentum are even better though.
No, like the inertia and stuff. Like, who would have ever thought that like the inertia would like have that kind of power to like push things. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Well, like, you know that one episode where they talk about like momentum and stuff and like Newton's laws? Like, Newton must have been a pretty cool guy. I would have invited him over to play chess or something.
Yeah, man, that's what I said too. I said I like the momentum and the Newton's laws. Those are great.
Well, I think science is really fun.
Swinging is fun.
Science owns!
Finally, I've got it. Does anyone want to know what I'm talking about? By the way, I'm Sir Isaac Newton.
No.
Okay, no one cares what you think. What I discovered is F equals ma.
No.
Okay, F is force, which is measured in newtons, named after me, of course, Sir Isaac Newton. M is mass, which is measured in kilograms, and acceleration is what A stands for, which is measured in meters per second squared. So, let me demonstrate on this sheet of paper. I'm going to show you a math problem involving what I just taught you. F equals ma. So you have a car, bad drawing of course, I'm a scientist, not an artist, moving at 20 meters per second squared, accelerating rather, and its weight, or mass rather, is 20 kilograms. So the formula is F equals mass times acceleration. 20 is the mass, 20 kilograms, and 20 meters per second is the acceleration. So, multiply those together, you get 400. What's the unit again? Oh yeah, newtons, named after me.
No.
I was running around. I had to apply force in order to accelerate myself, to accelerate mass.
Where'd Newton go? Alright, well, let's take a break from laws of motion and go to gravity. Where is James doing gravity anyway? Oh, hi, James.
Gravity is the force of attraction between two objects related to distance and mass. Gravity exists everywhere in our solar system. To help demonstrate this, I will be the sun, this rock will be Earth, and this will be the moon. See how this works? Yeah. The sun, me, is the greatest mass here, so all things are attracted to it. This is the second greatest, and the moon will revolve around it. That's it.
Momentum is a force that can be passed from one object to another. Momentum is a force that can be exerted to one object to another. For example,
These girls are playing soccer. In order for them to put a force on the ball, they need to use their feet and pass momentum through their feet to the ball.
an unbalanced force is needed to move things.
Friction. It's a force that slows down objects in motion.
No.
Actually, it is. Let me demonstrate. When I travel down a slide, there is less friction, so I slide fast. There's a slope on the pavement, but I'm still not going down. Why is that? Because of friction. The pavement has more friction than the slide, so I don't travel down, even though it's a slope.
One of the factors that can slow down how fast something falls to the ground is air resistance. These pieces of paper were the exact same when I ripped them out of my journal. This one was crumpled, and this one is still flat. They will be dropped from the exact same height at the same time. As you can see, that one dropped much faster than this one. That is because the surface area on this ball is much smaller than this, and the air does not push it up as hard. Newton's third law states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. For example, I'll throw this into the air. As you can see, it was thrown up and came down to the exact same position it's. Like I said before, Newton's third law states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. As Lorenzo pushes me forward, the action, I will gain air and come back, the reaction. Action, reaction! It's science!
Gravity pulls these cool dudes to the earth.
Featuring front flip Keens and backflip Johnny.
This is Johnny's face. This is my hand. My hand will exert a force onto his face, transferring the momentum from my hand to his face. Did you know inertia is the tendency of an object to stay in motion? Oh, hey, Johnny.
Hey, Brad.
Do you remember the one time you came over to my house and we watched that one show about like the science guy?
Oh yeah, that was Inertia. That was the greatest episode ever.
Did that? The one probably like kicked over the cow. It kind of made me feel like I was in a petting zoo.
Yeah, that was silly.
But like that one episode on like momentum and stuff. Like, who would have ever thought that a guy like Isaac Newton could have ever like created something so brilliant, you know?
Yeah, how did you come up with that anyway?
Well, I heard he was sitting underneath a tree, and like this random apple fell down from the sky, and he said, "Oh, that must be gravity or something." And then he like made all these rules about it and stuff. I just think he's a genius, you know?
Yeah, we should have him play chess.
Yeah, he could come out of tea, and we could just have a party. But you know what I think?
What do you think?
I think that swinging is really fun.
Well, I think science is better.
Well, I think that science owns!
Brian Keener, free rapping about gravity.
Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. There are 3 laws of gravity. I like to see them in my science book. Then I say, Alright, I'll just go from here. It's not gonna really rhyme, alright? Alright, yo, 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 yo. Can I get a beat, yo? Can I get a beat, yo? Yo, yo, yo. Sir Isaac Newton was a scientist. He came up with the laws about science. He took them home and came back to school. But he never really went to school. Then he
How about we actually write a song?
I'm gonna freestyle for one. Alright, yo, 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 yo.
Oh my
Yo,
god, cut this.
can I get a
Delete
beat?
it and then restart it.
Yo, yo. Sir Isaac Newton had 3 laws. He went to school in England. He came home from school and sat under a tree and then got hit with an apple. He said, "Oh, it's gravity. What shall I do? Put it in a book to teach all of you. Got it at my school. Got it at my pool. Everywhere gravity is in this world. Yo, it's not in space, but no one really cares about space because it's just space."
The beginning was beast. Alright, cut it.
What up?